Here in this video right here, you're about to learn 5 beginner freezes coming up.
8 police officers in the hospital.
Chaotic scene.
What's up, all my upcoming b-boys, b-girls, and crackheads? And welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share 20 years of knowledge as a b-boy, judge, host, and coach of some of the sickest upcoming b-boys. So on this magical YouTube channel, you can find tons of knowledge and tutorials and videos of me just sharing everything I know with you guys. So you can take yourself to that next level. You might be a beginner, or you might be a pro, and whoever you are, I'm sure you might find something you like right here on this YouTube channel. So welcome. So if you're feeling the vibe already, then don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button right there. Don't forget to smash the notification bell. Also, don't forget to smash that like button. And also don't forget to hit a random comment down there
so you can help me boost my channel up to #1.
So, 5 freezes. So if you speak good English, then you know that a freeze is like a pose or a position. Basically something that doesn't move because it's frozen. You get it? Of course you do. So a freeze can basically be very, very complex and hard to execute. But a freeze can also be very, very simple that you can learn under 5 seconds. Now in this video, I will give beginners a little bit of a challenge, of course, but just know that freezes like this are really important too, and those are called stances. And I'm gonna make a separate video about stances really soon because you can't imagine how unbelievably important they actually are. But that's for later. But what I'm basically trying to explain right here is that there are infinite available freezes for you and me. And you can basically make up for yourself how hard you actually want to make them. So yeah, let's just get busy with these 5 beginner freezes right now. And then once you learn these freezes, you can use a little salt and a little pepper and start creating your own Let's start this nice and easy with the head bridge. Start laying down on your back, then lift yourself up with your hands and feet and place the top of your head on the floor. Once your head is in place, you can let go of the hands and place them in a very clean position, creating that perfect head bridge. Just make sure for safety that you use your hands to exit this freeze at first if it's still new for you. Moving on, we have the shoulder freeze. Start by sitting down and stretching your arm out behind you. Fall to the side and let your shoulder connect to the floor. Use your foot to lift up your hips for you to find that perfect position. From here, you slowly want to lift your feet off the floor and hold this position. Don't forget, you want to practice all of your freezes on both sides. Let's use more imagination and look for some cool shapes and forms that we can execute on one foot, basically creating a one-footed freeze. Easy to execute because we're used to standing on our feet, but a great way to get your creativity flowing. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video already, then
Smash that like button.
Next up is the headstand. Start in a frog stand and then place your head on the floor in front of you. Make sure you place the middle of your head on the floor, not your forehead or something. Once the head is in position on the floor, you can easily lift up the legs, but make sure you keep them pointed forwards and create a bigger chance of you keeping that balance. Moving on with the handstand. Start with placing both hands on the floor in front of you. Lift up one leg in the air and very gently push yourself off the floor with the other. While pushing yourself off the floor, you want to swing the other leg up. To start with, you just want to keep it safe and stay close to the floor. Then after a few tries and sessions, you can start pushing yourself a little higher with each try while creating a longer hang time. You can also perform your handstand against the wall and then push yourself very gently away from the wall, trying to find that perfect balance point. Handstand is really important for future possibilities, so I strongly advise you to go more into depth by watching my handstand tutorial. Now I just want to add that's some valuable Coach Sambo information right here. Combining freezes and creating combos is definitely the way to go, just so you can stack more content together in your round. And it's also a really good challenge physically and mentally. Physically because it's hard to combine a lot of these positions all together, and mentally because you have to figure out what combos are possible or find a way to make it possible. And that's why I love this b-boy game. So here are different possibilities with the freezes that you've just learned right now. And these are examples so you can get cooking yourself and create your own combos. Also, I want to add right now that you can raise the value even more with the way you get into your freeze and back out of your freeze. So you should definitely check out this video right here, giving you a bunch of ways to enter your freezes and of course helping you create your own.
Very, very important.
So guys, if you like this video and you like the way I teach, then you might want to check out my Beginner's Masterclass, which is basically a video like this one, but 70 minutes long, giving you everything you need to know as a b-boy or b-girl beginner. From top rocks to footworks, freezes, power moves, history, knowledge, or even learning how to combine moves together the right way. It's all in there. It's new, it's fresh, and it's all you need as a beginner. So if you're interested in buying this masterclass, then just hop on over to my website, of which the link can be found in the description down below. So, fellow b-boys, b-girls, and crackheads, I hope you enjoyed this motherfucking video, and I hope your brain has expanded on this knowledge. So don't forget, if you're feeling my flow right here, you can subscribe to my channel just by hitting the red button right there. Also, leave a comment telling me what video you would like to see next, so I can get to work. Don't forget that I have a lot more beginner or advanced tutorials on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash every available option here on this YouTube game. You know, just casually helping me boost my channel up to #1. Keep it tight, never sell out.
Definitely keep smoking crack.
Because at the end of the day, my good friends, when you think about it, it's all about that b-boy shit.